What's up, guys? It's your girl, Mac Cox with MA Couture Crafting. And yes, we are celebrating and appreciating another quiltress, another quilter, Sara Ruiz. Now, I've actually got a chance to meet Sara Ruiz in person and hug on her neck because she is so amazing. I was hoping that some of her quilty goodness would rub off on me. I don't know that it did, but I first got introduced to Sara when she was doing her postcards and I was obsessed. And then I started doing postcards and she was so kind. She was even like, yo, we should swap. I'm like, I should swap with you? Yeah, right. But she liked what I was doing. You know, I had the Disney theme going. Her kids, they were playing along. They were guessing. It was a good time. I am a huge fan of Sara Ruiz and what she's doing. And she is just blowing up year after year after year. She's just knocking out she's just growing and I'm watching it happen and I'm so excited for her. This is one of my favorite quilts that she's done. She's actually inspired. She was part of the reason why the Crayola quilt came about. Again, really enjoy Sara Ruiz. She is just turning out to be an amazing quilter and I don't believe she's been doing it like forever. But again, I want to say she's like an astro engineer or something amazing. Again, Sara Ruiz, she's all the things. She's amazing. Gotta check her out. I'm going to actually link her Instagram for you guys so that you can see some of her other work, some of her patterns. She's doing it big. And I want to say that she's now on the guild board. Like, she's amazing. All right, let's get into this quilt because it is a good time. I want to say that this came together with her and her guild members. I'm not exactly sure how that works or how it worked out, but it's a really fun, super bright, really cool quilt. So let's get into it. Okay, here it is. I want to say the name of this quilt is Unscripted. I love when people have good quilt names. This is a really good quilt name. Super bright. Look at these colors, right up my alley. Let's talk about it really quickly. It's a really cool quilt by Sara Ruiz and the other 9 members of her guild. I like when people use print in a kind of a funky way. So this color story and the text are very cool. I would like to actually do this on a super large scale, maybe for a queen or king quilt. Love it. I am really digging this. I think the colors are just, they're so bright. It's such a neat palette. Like, it's not all the colors, but the orange is so strong with that red, with that bluey kind of purple. I think the M is my favorite letter. Let me know what you guys, which letter is your favorite? Is it the J? Is it the C? Is it the A? Such a cool concept. I have no idea what the parameters were for this, how this all came about, but I'm really into it. Really love the color story. I love the different letters. I love the different cases in the I mean, it's super cool. Super, super cool. Shout out to Sara for being such an inspiration. I'm really looking forward to what she's doing next. You guys know what to do in the comment section. We are going to love on this quilt. We are going to say what we love about it. We are going to tell her why we want her to keep going. We are going to just inspire and shoot out all the quilty goodness that we can. And I will catch you guys on the next one. All right. Bye-bye.